Hi friends, welcome to my channel Smart Sam 13. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. As you have seen me solving the Rubik's Cube in my earlier video, if you haven't seen, see it in the link in the description. On behalf of Independence Day, I will show you how to make the Indian national flag using my favorite Rubik's Cube. Come, let's start! See how beautiful it is. Our national flag has three colors: the saffron color, white color and green color. There is also a blue chakra called the Ashoka chakra in the middle. It has 24 spokes. The saffron in the top indicates strength and courage. The white in the middle indicates truth and peace. The green in the bottom indicates growth and fertility. Hope you liked my video. If you want to see different flags of other countries, comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe. It will encourage me to come up with more videos. Bye. I will meet in next video.